Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is another showing of some of the items I've made for my craft fair. So this is a Grinch carry-along activity pad, including markers and stickers. I got this at Dollar Tree, so I've added some of the Grinch Hershey Kisses with some shred and a package of the Nerd Gummy Clusters. I got these in a box in bulk at Sam's Club, and I'm selling this for $5.50. I think that turned out cute. Okay, next, I was at my local grocery store last night to pick up a few things, and they had these boxes of card games. This one says, "Oh dear, card game," and they were only like $1.10, so I bought everything they had. So I've just put it in a bag with shred, added a little sticker. I got these stickers from Hobby Lobby. They're the foam stickers back in the Christmas section in a big bag. More of the Nerds, and I'm selling these for $6. I don't know if they'll sell at that price, but we'll see. I might have to go to $5. Okay, my next three things are so exciting, you guys. They are so freaking cute. I can't even stand it. Okay, look at this. This is a kitchen washcloth. I got these at Dollar General. There's 2 in a bundle. The other one that came with it is just red, just straight red, no design, but $2 for 2 of them, so $1 each. Then I put them in these gusseted bags, which you guys have heard me talk about. I get these at clearbags.com. Just type in gusset bags. These bags are 4 inches wide, and I'm going to say 8 inches, so 4 by 8 gusseted bag. Okay, so I put some shred, some Hershey's Kisses along the bottom, and then just made this tag. Here's hugs and kisses and help with the dishes. I've sold these before. They sell out. And then this is a reindeer sticker from Hobby Lobby. These come on a sheet, and I'm selling these for $3.99. Some people will say, why $3.99? Why not $4? Well, my degree is in marketing, so it's a marketing strategy. That's why at Walmart you don't see like $4. You'll see $3.97, $3.98, because in the brain it registers as $3, not $4. I don't do that. When I see it, I say, okay, so that's $4 if it's $3.98. But maybe it's just that initial response of when your eye first catches that price. I don't know. But anyway, marketing suggests that, you can not end in zeros. You can add different numbers at the end of your prices. So sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Okay, you ready for the next cutie pie? Oh, I'm excited about this too. Okay, so Gingy oven mitt, Gingy towel. There's a packet of cookie mix in here. There is a spoon. Okay, so the mitt, the towel, the cookie mix, the spoon, and there's 4 in a package. 4 spoons in a package. Those all came from Dollar Tree. These adorable Gingy measuring spoons were in the Target Bullseye section this year for $3, you guys. There's 3 of them, but they're glass, and aren't they cute? There was also peppermint ones that I grabbed, so I'll be doing something with those as well. And then this is a poem. I got this from one of the printable stores on Etsy. It might be SusieQ's. I will link, because I'm not sure, but it's a recipe for Christmas joy. A 1/2 cup hugs, 4 teaspoons kisses, 2 cups smiles. Anyway, directions: mix hugs, kisses, smiles, and love until I can't read it. I can't read it that small, you guys, without getting my face right down into it. And I'm selling these for $20. So I think that turned out really cute. Okay, do you want to see the next thing I'm so excited about? Again, Dollar Tree to the rescue, okay? These are pizza storage containers. Get them at Dollar Tree. So I've got green shred in the bottom. And then inside I've got a hand sanitizer. This came from Dollar Tree. I've got some a citrus bath fizzer, Dollar Tree. The hand lotion, oops, oh, I pulled that right off. The hand lotion and the lip balm I got in bulk on Amazon, I'll put the link. Then these light stickers are from Hobby Lobby, and you just cut them to fit. And then I got a whole box of different kinds of drink stirring picks. So I put the Christmas tree on there. I'll put the link for these. You get a whole box, and there's snowman, Santa Claus, Christmas hat, tree, gingerbread, stocking. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're so cute. They're going to be so fun to craft with. And then I just made this tag in Canva. You'll be merry and bright with this gift delight. So I'm charging $15 on that. But isn't that stinking adorable? I can't even wait to get these on my table today in my booth. Okay, so that is it for now. Those were the 5 items that I showed today. Grab this. Okay, put everything here. I need it for a picture anyway. So that's the new stuff that's going to my craft fair today. Of course, I made more than just one of each. But that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day and be merry and bright. Bye for now.